Today we're going to talk about using over-the-counter products as a makeup primer, and does it work? So today we're going to use the Calamine Lotion as a makeup primer. I'm going to do a demo on how it and come back later and give you an update on how I like it and how did it work for me. So let's get started. You can purchase this at your local drugstore or Family Dollar store. It retails for $2.50. The color that I have is the clear kind. So I'm going to use this Coastal Scents flat synthetic brush to apply it. I'm going to apply it in my T-zone area. No, I'm just going to apply it all over my face because I'm an early girl and this New Orleans heat and humidity is no joke. So I'm just going to fan that dry a little so I can get a little tacky. So today's foundation I'm going to use is the Juvia's Place foundation in the color Havana. So if you want to see my foundation routine, I have a video link for that. You can look on my channel and see my video foundation reviews. So we're going to talk about using over-the-counter products as a makeup primer. So let's talk about it. So as you may know, many search and see that some people will use milk or magnesium, but personally it's not safe to use on everyday skin. It will make your makeup hold for the day, but why use a laxative? The MOM has a high pH balance, which is 10.5 with no moisturizing properties. Your skin natural pH is slightly acidic, and the pH balance should be 5.5 or it can be a 4.8 to a 6. And Calamine has a pH balance of 8. Too much pH levels creates a threat to your skin. It can make your skin feel smooth at first, but in the long run it can disturb your skin, making it rough and dry looking. So why not use the Calamine Lotion instead? Calamine Lotion can be used as a mattifying primer. It contains glycerin and a moisturizing ingredient. It is used to treat mild itchiness, which includes from sunburns, insects, and other skin conditions. It may also help dry out the skin. So what do you think about this? Leave me a comment in the description box, and I want to know your thoughts and feelings about using this product. up pretty well due to the humidity that we have going on. We have a little rainy day today, and the time is 6:13. Yeah, so I think it held up pretty good. Let me know what your thoughts of using this product as a primer, as a face primer on the makeup. Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.